98 cases. So 90 cases divided by 12 months.
8.2.
No 8.2 was lah, they will put in 9 lah.
Cases or 9.
Put in 9 lah, round figure ma. 9 lor. If 9 cases divided by 4 weeks.
2 to 3 cases.
2 to 3. 3个3 42 2嘛，还有2 28。
2也是太少。
Okay, we make it 3啦吼。round it out ma, okay, every week 3 cases already. So your closing ratio. Closing ratio inferring that in order for you to close one case, how many appointments you have to go? Have you count before? Our industry practice is every 10 case, 10 appointment we can close one case. If you are good enough, you have better ratio, you measure it down. That's means in order for you to close one case, how many appointments you have to visit? If you no idea, you may follow industry practice, 10 appointment close one. 10 appointment close one. If you have a better ratio, you measure it down. This one for planning purpose. Okay, done? All done already? Okay. When you're done, am I right? Then it's very simple already. You bring this thing. This one is the number 3. That means item 3 and item 4. You time together. Now in this case, 980 appointment. That means in order for you to achieve your dream in a year, you have to make sure you got 980 appointments for you to visit and do presentation. But this figure of 1,000 look very big. You divide by 12 months. 980除82除4，每个礼拜21，每个礼拜21。OK。Okay. Everyone follow? Anyone got difficulty to follow? No okay. I assume okay If you got difficulty, let me know. Okay. That's how we ratio coming already. Okay. Now you look at here. We talk about appointment. But before appointment, we have to make the call to secure appointment first, am I right? So how many calls you make in order for you to get one appointment confirmed? 3 to 4. We assume 4. That means every 4 calls, you will secure one appointment. That means we don't care whether last minute they make it or not, but most important they agree to meet out. So for you, how many you look at the ratio, how many calls in the past you made for you to secure one appointment? They say okay, we can meet out. Okay, you made the calculation up. So once you get this ratio, you time the appointment you needed, you time. They will show you your total.
4,000.
4,000 calls. Is it very big? You divide by 365 days.
Yes. 11 calls.
So we back to reality is if you look at the goal, in order to achieve this thing, you only have to do one thing only. Make sure every day you make 11 calls to prospect to get appointment. That's it. So is it 11 calls very challenging, very difficult?
Yes.
My friend, you know telemarketer from insurance company, every hour they have make few hundred calls. I don't know whether you heard before those telemarketer for insurance company, they from bank, they call you to sell you some financial product, personal loan, they sell you some credit card, they sell you some insurance. You know how many calls they have to make every day? Per hour they have to make the few hundred calls. In a day, they already finish your 1 year quota already. In a day, they already finish your 1 year quota. But they work for organization, they not work for yourself. If today they work for somebody also such hardworking already. Then what about you? Today you work for yourself, but you cannot compete with them. Then we have to think back already. Are you joining the right industry? Then if this is the case, why not I join other people? I helping people getting well. Then I just fulfill my KPI will do. Because their KPI is very simple, just making call every day. So for them it's very simple, they just make sure they have to complete a KPI before they can get back. That's all. So if you look at your calculation, 11 calls per day for me, it's not a big deal. If this goal you set for yourself is something very important to you, understand what I mean?
Yes.
Okay? So, look at 11. Will you do it or not? Confirm achieve. If you want to achieve, but this thing you want to achieve or not?
Yes.
So then if this something you want to, the goal you set, something you want to do, that I must get it done, then 11 core is your job already, your duty already, your obligation already, you have to get it done 11 core. So anyone of you, the figure is more than 11 core a day one. How many core a day?
4.
4 core a day only, or 4 core a day only. Is it very difficult? No. By doing 4 core continuous for a year, you can get a goal done already. Don't believe I challenge you. If you continue to do it, you cannot do it. Whatever software I cover for you. Okay, how many core? Still calculating, very big already. Okay, how many core? 16, 1 6. Wow, big number. But will you do it or not? 16 core every day. Okay, because you know there's something you want very important already in the future. So believe me, if you continue to do 16 core, you will get it done. That means you will get whatever you plan, everything done once. Everything done once. Later I tell you why. Okay. 9 core a day. Will you do it 9 core a day? Sure. Confirm. You see the goal is very important to you. With or without achieving your goal, it makes something different to you. Different. So goal very important. So the core, yes, how many core? 10 core. So will you do 10 core every day? Yes. 7 core. Is it very challenging to you?
Can try.
But will you do it 7 core a day? Okay, 7 core a day. Yes.
19.
19. So will you do 19 core every day?
Try.
Try. Try means that uncertain already, you know. Okay. So you must. Okay, we talk about we say something about right. We must understand that our mind we got subconscious mind one. When you say something to yourself, I will try. Mean that 50-50. It's not confirmatory. It's not confirmatory. If I am free, I will try. If not free, I won't try. So that's the reason. 你是几点啊？
4点半。
哦，多给我10分钟。Okay, good. Okay, next.
11.
11. 11. Okay.
Per day is it?
Yeah, per day.
7.
7 core. 7 core. Running out of time. 7 core. Okay, yes. How many core?
Me and
Yeah.
You really want to have
Yeah.
100,000?
100,000 core.
Yeah, because I have 10 people work under me, so
Okay.
each of them make 100 call. 10,000.
But you do calculation for them.
Yeah.
Okay. So this one is your number. Okay, what about you? 35 every day. Is it very tough for you?
Never did that before, but I think it's.
Is it achievable? 35 core.
I think it's
I think you think can do it one, correct? 35 core. Okay, yes.
15.
15. Is it? Will you do it? 15 core a day? You will. Okay, what about you? 2 core only. Will you do 2 core a day? 22. But will you do 22 core? I will achieve it. Okay. So guys, I want you to understand the figure, and you have to make yourself believe it. If you think that from the starting itself, when you say you look at the number itself, wow, 10 core, 12 core, for me, I will do it one, it is possible one. There are only 2 suggestions. First, you divide your goal. Instead of go for luxury life for the next year, then you downgrade your goal. You downgrade your goal, at least make the figure achievable. And secondly, you think that something I set this year is something I want, I cannot change the rate. This is something confirm, guarantee I want to do. Then you have to straight on it. Then you have to work hard. You have to give yourself commitment that this is something I want to do. Okay? So hopefully you enjoy your goal setting. And next thing I would like to move on. Okay, so to start this thing, am I right? We must start with the that means we must start with the number. Today we talk about all all the number calling, that's means the prospect calling I wanted, am I right? So we must start with something first. So I'm going to distribute you this statistic. So whatever name pop out from mine or pop out from a handphone, you just jot it down. Very quick one, I want you to do exercise. I just want to fill the one page, finish. That's all. So I'm going to distribute out this one, you put the name, phone number, you got the time. That's all, okay? So please give you exercise, I give you some time. Which one you get one copy with you? So I want you to do this exercise now. So for the first column, you jot down the name. So you put the time, you put the number, your prospect name, not your name, your prospect name. Don't put your name in the picture. Whoever you think of, the name, you can put it in the column here. Quick one, the name. Okay, don't need to filter one, don't need filter one. Okay, whoever you can think of, just jot it down.
Just the name only.
Just the name only. Don't need to make your own cell filter whether he or she will buy any insurance from me or not. This one doesn't matter. Most important, he or she stay alive. It's a person. Then we just jot it down the name. Or somebody very fast, you need to look at the handphone or jot down very fast. Everybody in your mind already. Settle. Okay, I saw somebody finish already. Okay, so once finished, the next step is very simple. Okay, this is our first column is the name. Second column basically referring the telephone number. But that number here because time consuming I don't want. So you just put the estimate FYP. That's mean estimate the premium, the case he or she may open with you if you propose something to them. Let's say for example you propose some medical plan 250 per month. This means per year is 3,000. So you think that this person I may propose him start with 3,000 per year, the premium. So you put the estimation on the third column. The phone number you put first. You go back to read yourself. Okay, not at the moment. But priority you have to finish the name list first. At least I want the full page on name list first. Okay, done. So if you look at here, right, basically this one we call prospect listing, and this one is for your planning for activity one. So for anyone you, let's say for example, you have to make the call for 11 call, 12 call. I can tell you this one page about 20 hours only, about 25, 26 MBs only. It may not enough cater you even the one day. So, but this one is for planning. Why? Because you list down whatever name you can think of, and you should have many names time to time. And this one is just our stock. Because we talk about do business, then we're going to stop to sell to people. But today our industry here, our stock basically is the people, is the name list. So when you got a list, am I right? You list down the estimation and you categorize them into three groups. There's been a priority of prospect based on the chances, hot, warm and cold. Because hot, warm and cold. There's been hot meaning that you personally feel that I know he or she very well. I think if I propose, the chance is very high one. The warm maybe not very close, but I think still got a chance. And cold, I think I don't know him very well, okay, but I can try, okay. So we prioritize our prospect. So every time when we want to make the appointment, am I right? We try to call the prospect belong to hot market first, and followed by warm market. And eventually, if you realize one thing, hot and warm will be finished one. And one day, all the market is become hot market already. Someone refer to you or somebody, you get to know them recently only. This my recent new job, I just know to this person and so on, okay? So you priority the prospect, but doesn't mean that the hot prospect, they will buy from you. And doesn't mean that cold prospect, they will buy from you. And most important is, we just want to do our sales priority. So after this one setting down, the next thing, if you look at the opening, follow 1, 2, 3. And there's been one prospect we will not get out very fast. There's been after the first opening. Then today, 22nd of March, I go for first appointment opening. Then after that, the prospect said consider. Then after that, next week, maybe 27th of March, I go to follow up, the first follow up. So there's been, we give our chance, one prospect at least will follow up for at least 3 times. If possible, 5 times. So if 3 times cannot, then we KIV for next round first. Then we move on for next prospect. You continue to move on. You have to continue to move on. And if you target, let's say for 12, 11 call every day, this one, one page can last you for 2 days only. So you have to prepare many pages of prospect for you to continue make the call. That's the duty. And how to get done, you have to think your way. Because this is your dream, this is the goal. And after you're done, I just give you a rough example and idea. What will you get if you make 3% a day? If you think that, let's say for example, every day I got 3 appointments, and they say every week you meet 15 people, and we talk about success ratio about 2 out of so many people, 2 cases per week, just like your case, 2 cases per week, 8 cases per month, and we assume that every case is 300 per case, am I right? It means you're going to collect, without collect, because 300, that means they pay 600 2 month deposit, correct? So for this one, you're going to collect 2,004 every month, and look at the income itself. This one is a collected income. So for the first month, your income very low because you earn about less than 1,000. But you look at the second month, still less than 1,000. But third month onward, if you look at the figure itself, total from 4 months onward, basically your income is reached 2,000 already. And 5th month onward, basically you are breakthrough 2,000 plus already. So mean that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about 10 to 11 months, less than a year, your income break 5,000 already. Break 5,000 already. So you look at this figure, is it something you plan, you want it, this income? If you think that this is something you want, you just follow the mechanism, the fundamental, it's a figure only. As long as I follow my prospecting activity, I make the call, I meet people, I do my presentation right, and eventually you're going to get it done and make your dream come true. And you look at second year, if you continue it for 2 years, am I right? There's been the second year onward, your income start for 6,000 plus already. And this one I just based on basic commission. I didn't talk about if someone you aim for promotion, you go over further, your income second year can be double, can be triple already. This one just based on your own effort. But I'm telling you that this industry, if you build based on the networking, based on grouping, am I right? Second year onward, if you build good grouping, second year onward, your income earning here is more than your personal sales commission. It's more than your personal sales commission. This one is our system. But this one I will not discuss today. One day you will discover this thing. Okay? So most important, last for this module, am I right? The goal setting, you know already how to set the goal, how to manage your goal. But most important thing, are you committed 100% to your goal? This one you have to ask yourself, are you committed 100%? do you really want what you said just now? You have to ask yourself. If yes, then are you willing to pay for the price? There's been none in the world, no such thing free lunch one. There's been without the effort, you expect that something I can get back, no such thing one. Everything must come with the effort. So if you really give yourself commitment, I will concur to you, you can get everything, get yourself, get your dream come true. If you commit yourself and you pay for the price. And you list down the 6 most important activity and focus on it. And every day for those people attend the morning meeting, I think it's a good momentum because by attending morning meeting, you know that you're able to build out a good habit for starting in the morning. But at the same time, you know your job are getting named. Because without the name, you cannot start from the very first stage already. You know you cannot make the call. And no call, we got appointment. No appointment cannot make the sales, cannot make presentation one. So you must make sure every day, you have to think the way that how I can input more name lists into my stock, into my listing. Make sure that every day I can spend 1 or 2 hours, make the call, fix appointment for next week, next 2 weeks. And that is very important. And every day you must make sure you still continue move on. Because every day we talk about working hour, we got 8 hours. So apart I spend 1 hour for my making a call, I still got many hours. You can fitting appointment, go for presentation. So I believe for those people newly joined currently, after sales, this one no at the moment. So most important you have to focus on building, attend morning meeting, get name opening and follow up. This few will be the key. We talk about KPI, the key performance area. As long as you focus it on this one in the first year, you can get your thing come through. And if possible, share your goal and the 6 critical activity. So you share with your surrounding colleague, share your superior. We're going to give you more encouraging, we're going to help you keep on track. And look at your dream board every day. So this one, anyone got your dream board? Dream board. You know what's a dream board? Anyone made your dream board before? If you don't have, I encourage you to do one, okay? I showed you many years ago when I joined this industry, am I right? I do the one dream board myself, and this board, even so many years, is still in my house. It's very old already. I put all the picture, something I want, something I want to achieve in my life. And without I knowing, every item I list down, all achieved already. So mean that dream board gives us some visualization that you look at every day, give you some visualization. Hey, this is something, give you some reminder, we say lah, okay? And allow us to helping you. So talk to your superior, talk to a recruiter. I think he or she may have more experience in helping you to kickstart in this industry. So we're going to ensure you on track and at the same time doing the right thing at the right timing. So bottom part, we talk about all the goal. Without the hard work, you can't achieve one. But even though today I close one small case, let's say 1,008, 1,002, doesn't matter. Because every case you close is your single success. You are work closest to your goal already. So check it out, you have to monitor your progress. Let's say for example, your total figure is 200 over 1,000, it's very big. But every cases you close, let's say 2,000, 3,000, you have to put into record. And you have to look at what is the shortfall. We don't target what is the past, but we look at what we already done and what is the shortfall. So by looking at your achievement little, am I right, you will realize that this is something you want to do. And have the courage. We talk about time to time, you may have made some mistake. It's very normal as a new people, but don't worry, continue. So you're going to make it. So summary for today, setting the goal. We're helping you to identify the thing you really want and achieve and keep you motivated. And most important, stay focused on the key activity. And this industry is not a alone one. We do it together one. Because we talk about, you do alone, you can do fast, but you cannot do this. You can fast, but you cannot do far. So in order to do fast and far, we have to do it together. That's the reason we have morning meeting, we have work together, we're helping each other to grow together. So we share the better success, and this is a module I will share with you. Hopefully you have a better idea to kickstart your industry. So right now I would like to pass the floor to our next person. He's going to bring you to the key performance. That's mean how we do job already. And now we've got prospecting already, correct? Now we've got goal already. The next thing is we want to do something more important. Okay? So